Welcome back to Mogverse, where we bring you the legends of the Unimog world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most iconic models ever built by Mercedes-Benz, the Unimog 421, also known as the utility workhorse of 1966. Even though it was born nearly 6 decades ago, the Unimog 421 continues to hold a legendary status among enthusiasts, collectors, and off-road adventurers. And now, in 2025, it's not just a piece of history, it's a living symbol of German engineering perfection that refuses to age. The story of the Unimog 421 begins in 1966, when Mercedes-Benz introduced it as a smaller, lighter, and more versatile version of the larger Unimogs like the 406 and 416. It was designed to be compact yet unstoppable, a vehicle that could serve farmers, military forces, and industrial workers all at once. And that's exactly what it became. The 421 quickly earned a reputation as the ultimate all-rounder, a truck that could climb mountains, plow fields, haul heavy loads, and still drive home comfortably at the end of the day. Under the hood, the Unimog 421 came with several engine options over its production years, but the most popular one was the Mercedes OMS 615 and later OMS 616 diesel engines, delivering between 40 and 60 horsepower. That might sound modest today, but paired with the truck's short wheelbase, low gearing, and portal axles, it produced incredible torque and traction, the kind that made it unstoppable off-road. The secret lay not in raw power, but in mechanical finesse. The 421 featured the same torque tube suspension system and flexible frame found in larger Unimogs. This meant each wheel could move independently over rocks and rough terrain without twisting the frame. That design allowed the truck to crawl over obstacles with ease while maintaining stability and comfort. What really stood out was its versatility. Mercedes designed the Unimog 421 with quick mount points for a variety of attachments, snow plows, agricultural implements, cranes, and even firefighting gear. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a platform for endless possibilities. You could transform it from a farm tool to a rescue vehicle in a matter of minutes. The driving experience was something every Unimog fan remembers. Sitting high above the ground, with an almost panoramic view, the 421 felt more like a piece of heavy machinery than a traditional truck. The manual gearbox, a precision-built 6-speed transmission with optional crawler gears, demanded skill, but rewarded drivers with control that few vehicles could match. Fast forward to 2025, and this 1966 utility truck still commands respect. Many enthusiasts have restored or upgraded their 421s with modern parts, better lighting, electric winches, updated interiors, and even custom paint jobs, yet the soul of the machine remains purely mechanical, purely Unimog. In today's market, the German Unimog 421 has become a collector's dream. Depending on the condition, originality, and configuration, prices in 2025 vary widely. A well-maintained, working model can be found for around €20,000 to €35,000, while fully restored or rare variants can easily reach €50,000 to €70,000 or more. Models with military history or special attachments often fetch premium prices due to their rarity. German sellers, in particular, maintain these machines with obsessive care. Many Unimog 421s you'll find on the market today have full service records and still run like new after nearly 60 years. That's the beauty of Mercedes-Benz engineering. These trucks were built not just to last decades, but to thrive in any environment. When it comes to performance in 2025, the 421 remains surprisingly capable even by modern standards. Off-road, it can easily keep up with some of the best 4x4s in the world. Its ground clearance, flexible suspension, and short turning radius make it ideal for narrow trails and steep climbs. Many Unimog owners today use them for adventure expeditions, vintage rallies, or even as rugged overland campers. And let's talk about driving one. It's not like driving a modern SUV. The steering is heavy, the clutch takes effort, and the gearbox demands precision. But that's the charm. Every gear change, every climb, every sound from the diesel engine connects you to the road, or more accurately, to the earth itself. It's mechanical purity at its best. No electronics, no assistance, just raw control and confidence. In terms of maintenance, the Unimog 421 is one of the easiest classics to own. Parts are still widely available in Germany and Europe, and the community around Unimogs is strong and passionate. Online forums, workshops, and local Unimog clubs share knowledge, tips, and even spare parts. Many owners say maintaining a 421 isn't just mechanical work, it's a labor of love. The design, too, remains timeless. The round headlights, the narrow cab, the short wheelbase, they all give the Unimog 421 a character that's instantly recognizable. It looks tough, practical, and honest. Unlike modern trucks that chase style trends, the 421's design was purely functional, and that's exactly what makes it beautiful. Mercedes-Benz built the Unimog 421 until the late 1970s, and even though newer models like the 427, 437, and 5000 series have taken its place, the 421 still holds a special place in Unimog history. It represents an era when vehicles were built for endurance, not convenience, when every part had a purpose and every detail had a reason. In 2025, as we look at electric trucks, autonomous